Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. In today's video, we're making cheese stuffed garlic bites. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you would need pizza crust, mozzarella string cheese, butter, minced garlic, grated Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and parsley flakes. We're going to get started by cutting our cheese into small cubes. Now we're going to unroll our pizza crust and cut it into squares. Next, we're going to form our cheese bites by taking a piece of cheese and placing it in the center of the pizza crust. Roll it to form a little ball. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Add a half tablespoon of minced garlic, a half tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes, and 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese to the melted butter. Coat the unbaked cheese bites with the garlic butter. Next, bake at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. And there you have it, cheese stuffed garlic bites. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and Muffins be cooking.